the best Axiom settings and also some tips and tricks to make you more profitable. Before the video starts, I want to mention that in order to access and use the Platinum access code, and you can use my link down in the description, and you'll pay 10% less fees for each transaction that you make. So first let's talk about the buy and sell settings. For buy I have 15% slippage, 0.001 priority fee and 0.003 bribe. Always make sure you have MAF protection on. For sell settings I have 30% slippage, 0.001 priority fee and 0.003 bribe. These settings are for me when I'm trading with 0.5. If you are trading with a lower amount, for example 0.1, I recommend you these fees. For buy and sell. Now let's talk about the pairs filters. So for new pairs I'm only using a defaulting max of 7%. For final stretch or about to migrate, I'm using a top 10 holders holding maximum. And pro traders a list 4. For metrics I'm using a list 6,000 market cap. So I hide all the coins that already are dying. For the coins that migrated I'm only using 25,000 market cap. So I can hide all the coins that died after migration. For the wallet tracker, I'm following all of the big traders like CapC, Scented, or Ghosty so I can see what they're buying, what the meta is right now and what coins to avoid. Twitter tracker Axiom already gives you all of the big accounts in crypto Twitter. In the future you can customize it however you want and add as many accounts as you like. Let me show you some settings that I use to become more profitable and avoid getting ragged on all the coins. Axiom gives you this setting is called blacklist developers. Here you can add the wallets of developers that created and ragged coins before. And after you add them here you will not see the new tokens that they are creating. So you will be more safe. So you finish doing all of the settings and now you want to start trading. And for example you pick final stretch. And let's say, this coin, if you ever see a chart like this just avoid the coin and go back and hide it. BG does 100% of the time the DA is gonna one clip and sell everything in one candle. So you go back and find the coin and just hide it. Let's say you want to do your first trade and you don't know when to buy. So let's take this coin for example. Let's look in the beginning when this coin was made. It had initial pump to 6K and then it dipped a little bit after dev sold which is normal. And then it had bigger pump than the initial one. Another small dip. Another big pump. More than the previous one. So you always want to look for a small dip and buy and sell here for at least 50% gain. And another small dip, buy here, sell here. It's always important to take profit as soon as you can. These meme coins are very volatile and you can just dump the next minute or second. Another tip that I want to give you is never copy trade small or big wallet because most of the time they are gonna sell as soon as you buy. And you're just gonna lose all your balance like that. Alright, that's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful and I'm gonna see you in the next one.